Hey everybody, here I lie underneath my 53 Chevy on a creeper, and what I'm doing is I am figuring out how I want to do the exhaust. So these cars only came with a straight inline 6-cylinder and with a single exhaust that went out the back. Well, I want to run dual exhaust, and there are all kinds of things in the way if you want to run them all the way out the back, which I do. What I did was I drained the tank, dropped it, got it out of the way. It's actually in good shape. And what I want to do is the gas tank is actually almost up against the frame rail on the driver's side. And then on the passenger side, it's up against the spare tire tub, which is also up in between the frame and the gas tank. So there is no room really to go straight out the back. So what I'm going to do to solve this problem is I'm going to move the gas tank over about 4.5 inches to the passenger side, and that way it's centered between the two frame rails. But to do that, I have to get rid of the spare tire tub. So hanging down right here is the spare tire tub. So that's what I'm dealing with. I'm going to cut that out. And then we also have the braces here that with straps that go around and hold the gas tank up against these braces there and here. So I can't just slide the tank over because the tank has got grooves in it that rest on these braces. So what I'm going to do is go through, clean all of this undercoating off, drill out the spot welds, and then move these two braces towards the passenger side about 4.5 inches, and then that should center the tank right up. Now that sounds like awful, which it probably will be because nothing's easy. But it'll probably be the hardest part of probably getting this undercoating and stuff off. But once I do that, I drill out the spot welds, I move them over and re-weld it in. It'll go in place like it's made that way. And if I tried to just slide it over, the gas tank isn't made that way, so it would be, I'm liable to damage the tank, or the tank would be tilted a certain way. None of that's good. So the best bet is to literally just move these braces over, and it'd be worth a day's worth of work probably to get that all done. But that's going to be the next step, is cutting out the wheel tub and then drilling out these braces, moving them over, and then filling the hole of the wheel tub. I'll just weld in a piece of metal to cover up the hole. So that's what's up next. Haven't decided yet, but I could actually almost take a nap laying under here. But not today. I got too much to do. So stay tuned.